We cannot but speak of what we have seen and heard.
Para algo tan grandioso, el silencio simplemente no sirve.
如果我们的眼睛被失去所带来的泪水所充满，
残されたものの美しさを見ることができなくなるかもしれません。
In diesen unsicheren Zeiten, wer wird die gute Nachricht hören, wenn wir nicht sprechen?
Ni nani atakayesikia habari njema ikiwa sisi hatusemi?
We all stand together for our brothers and sisters, for our children, for our families.
We need to be people that do as Jesus did. Push out into the deep. Reach out to others that need our help.
Today, the voices that must be heard is not always the loudest.
We stand united with our brothers and sisters.
Con fede ci uniamo ai nostri fratelli, alle nostre sorelle.
بالإيمان نقف متحدين مع إخوتنا وأخواتنا.
احنا نعيش معهم. احنا نبكي معهم.
Ami hamna solshire, ami tani sosire.
We must tell of the great things that happen when people know that God loves them.
We need to continually reach out to one another, to break down barriers, to welcome the stranger, and to offer a helping hand when our brother or sister is in need.
For we are missionary, all of us.
Karena kita adalah misionaris.
Dahil tayo'y mga misyonero.
For we are missionaries.
Ayana misionari.
Y es que somos misioneros y estamos todavía aquí.
We are still here and we cannot but speak of what we have seen and heard.